Are you ready to catch everybody up on what we've been up to, or you want to leave it up to me? Alright, I guess I'll tell them what we've been up to. Here's a little hint. Can I bribe you to stay on there? Don't sit. You're shaking too much. Gotta keep it level. You got it? You're shaking too much. You got the hammock shaking. Goofball. It's right here. He's not making this easy. Better? Exactly, you're gonna fall. Can I sit with you? How about we sit back? Whoa. Better? I have it right here. Come here. That better? You want to catch everybody up with what we've been up to? Been busy, ain't had time to video. We've been busy. We're gonna catch you guys up. We eloped and got married, and been exciting. And we didn't need the stresses of a traditional wedding, so we just did a nice dinner with friends and got married. But we needed to tell the family and friends. So with Halloween coming up, we needed a good costume. So what better one than to be as bride and groom? And that's when we told everybody that we were actually married for real. And then we did some cake cutting and dancing and all that other cool fun stuff. And we just wanted to share it with everybody here on YouTube, and we'll get back to making videos here soon. Sorry it was a little bit of a break there. You know, life gets busy. That's how it goes. But thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Stop yelling at me, punk. Come on. Hi. That was pretty cool.